Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change a playlist cover on Amazon Music. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, access Amazon Music on your phone. And now let's go to home section. So this is how our home section of our Amazon Music gonna appear, right? Afterwards, go ahead, tap on this library section to access your playlist. Go back a bit, and now here in this section you can see in this particular playlist I have plenty of artists song available and merged. That's why this is the cover. If I go back, right, and in this playlist I only have one artist song. That's why this is how it looks. And if I go back, this is how my live playlist appears right over there, right? So if I simply would like to change it according to my need, actually there is no possible way for you to do so. You can simply send direct feedback. There is no possible way to do so. You cannot customize your own cover picture for yourself. You can simply choose to add multiple artists of yours, and it will simply automatically merge and become a cover for you. There is no way for you to do so on your own. So hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.